Anna Makeshle Gallia, agus cúrsaí dídine, agus go háirid nach bhfuil na seirbhísí dídine a ná freastal ar an éileamh ar an talamh. Tá ar a laghad 263 teilech gan éon baile. And Galway City, 263 houses, and the homeless services tell us that they are full. In response to a question yesterday after a man in a wheelchair appeared at my office door, homeless on the streets, homeless services are at capacity. How long is the waiting list? How long is a piece of string? So they're the answers we're getting. I'm not blaming staff, although that certainly is not helpful. However, they're under pressure, and we have a homeless service that's a symptom of a policy. My question to you is, are you aware of this? Are you aware that repeated reports from Simon, locked out of the market, has told us there are no available properties in Galway under any HAB scheme, discretionary or otherwise?
Thanks, Deputy. I'm very aware of the situation around the country. That's why we're investing so much in new social housing. More social housing built last year than any year since the 1970s. That takes people off the housing list and also frees up other properties for people to rent, often using HAP or homeless HAP.